Understanding Salary Benchmarking, a guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and very important topic for both employees and employers: salary benchmarking. If you've ever wondered how companies decide what salary to offer for a job, or if you're being paid fairly, you're in the right place. So, let's get into the details and make this complex term easy to understand. Salary benchmarking is the process companies use to determine the market rate for a specific job position. This involves comparing the salary for a job within their organization against the same or similar positions in other companies. The goal here is to ensure the salary offered is competitive and fair. This process helps companies attract and retain top talent while ensuring employees are paid according to industry standards. The process of salary benchmarking involves several key steps. 1. Identifying comparable jobs. Companies look for jobs that are similar in terms of responsibilities, skills required, and level of seniority. 2. Collecting salary data. This data can come from various sources, including salary surveys, industry reports, and sometimes directly from job postings. 3. Analyzing the data. The collected data is analyzed to determine the average salary for the benchmarked position. 4. Adjusting pay structures. Based on the findings, companies may adjust their salary offerings to ensure they are competitive and fair. Salary benchmarking is crucial for several reasons. For employers, it helps in attracting and retaining the best talent by offering competitive salaries. It also ensures pay equity within the organization, preventing disparities that could lead to dissatisfaction among employees. For employees, it provides a basis for negotiating salaries and understanding whether they are being paid fairly compared to others in similar roles. And that wraps up our guide on salary benchmarking. Whether you're an employer looking to attract top talent or an employee wanting to ensure you're fairly compensated, understanding salary benchmarking is key. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject and made it more accessible to you. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to navigating the world of employment and salaries. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.